Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today's video, I will be decluttering my makeup vanity. I've had all this time in quarantine at home and my makeup vanity's just gotten out of control. So today I'm going to be getting rid of all the trash, everything that's not makeup related, and getting my vanity back to normal with $4. I bought these at Dollar Tree. Here we go. First, I basically just tried to get rid of all the trash, all of the hair products. These are like so cheap. I couldn't find the cap anywhere. Of course I couldn't. Here I'm just straightening up all my makeup brushes. Lip pencils everywhere. The best makeup setting spray. I use this every day. This is liquid gold, you guys. I'll leave the link to this product down below. You definitely want to buy this if you deal with acne. This is the best. A bunch of fingernail polishes. This is really expensive, but it's pretty good. Oh, these are my old faithful. I've had this since day one of Kylie Cosmetics. Dirty Q-tips. Ugh. Moisture Surge. It's so good, you guys. Hair, of course. Brassica seed oil. I use this on my cuticles. This was just some e.l.f. mineral powder that got everywhere. I love these Kylie Cosmetics bags. I am trying to get one more. All kinds of random stuff. Gorgeous. Okay, we're getting somewhere. That's the only foundation that truly matches my skin. This is the box that the Kate Somerville acne treatment came in. My handy dandy Tiffany & Company box. Cause who could ever throw those out? New products that I haven't opened yet. Another ball of hair. A graveyard of ponytail holders. No wonder I can't ever find any. Just trash everywhere. How did all this stuff get up here? Ooh, you want this, girls, especially at night. I use it every night. And this is the Eye of the Storm palette by Kylie Cosmetics. You guys, I have not even used this. I can't believe it. I really need to start using this palette. And this is the summer palette. And look how dusty it is. I can't believe I let everything get so dirty up here. And I actually just filmed a video for it. And this is what it looks like once I got rid of all the trash, hair products, nail polish, hairballs. So I'm actually able to work with something. I'm gonna start putting all my palettes and everything. I'm gonna organize them in these bins and see if I can clear up some of this space. And I'm gonna put some of my lipsticks in these acrylic organizers. I did all that and I still didn't have enough room. This is the bronze palette. I use it a lot. And this is the burgundy palette. And I got this from Walmart. It's a really good palette. I use it a lot actually for like work and just if I don't want to use my Kylie Cosmetics products. This is the Peach Extended palette. I bought one for my niece and they sent me the wrong one, and so I bought another one. And I hardly ever use this one either. This was from the Court collection that she did with Courtney, and it's really cute. That gold is awesome. This is from the holiday collection. I love all of her highlighters, so anytime I can pick up a new one, I always do. And this is the holy grail of all of her eyeshadow palettes. This was from the 2016 holiday collection. It has diamond and gold powder in the eyeshadows, so it's my favorite hands down. This is the Skinny Dip Duo. It's a bronzer and a highlighter. I can't believe I let that palette get dirty. It's almost one of my only palettes that I've ruined. This is the Stormy highlighter. Oh my gosh, it's so soft, it's velvety. And these are some really good highlighters. I try to keep all of them in the boxes if I can. Oh. And this is one of her oldest palettes. It's the Diary palette. I had to go get it. And I love this one. All of my OG Kylie Cosmetics fans definitely know about this palette and probably want it too. This is the box that the Court eyeshadow palette came in. It's so cute. Back in your home, little buddy. And this is the box that the Coco collection lip kit singles came in. And the box, the glitter on that box is coming off, but the glitter on the I Want It All palette has stayed. I definitely want to keep it safe. So I'm gonna just start putting all this in my little container. These are some more cards. I can't tell you how many times I've bought stuff from Kylie Cosmetics. I keep every card that I get. And some of them I have 2 or 3. Oh, that's my grandpa. I miss him so much. How are you hiding in there? I normally keep that picture there in my mirror, so that's why it was with the cards. I'm gonna put my palettes over here on this side. All kinds of stuff hiding back there behind my mirror. And more dust. I think this was a really good deal for those acrylic organizers. I've bought some off Amazon, the ones that are behind me with all of the makeup in it. I probably have about $50 in all of those. I had so much stuff up there that really wasn't makeup, and I had to get this stuff organized. I really couldn't find anything. When I would get up in the morning, I couldn't find any of my makeup, any palettes. Like, they were all literally all over the place. Some of them were in the back of my car. So I really needed to get all this stuff together. So now I'm gonna start putting all of my stuff in here. I love this perfume, and this is my favorite perfume of all time, Victoria Beckham's Beckham collection, and I just got this for Christmas. It's one of my old school scents too. Maybe if I get all this stuff in these containers, I'll be able to find what I need right time I walk up to this area. This jewelry box is from my grandparents. These are the boxes that the pallets came in. I'm gonna find a place for them, but I use those a lot, so I'm not gonna put those back into boxes. And that's the peach extended box. All this dust. I literally had to go and take an allergy pill after I did all this because the dust ruined my allergies. Some more boxes that the loose highlighters come in. I think that was Santorini. I have Fiji, Santorini, a few of the ones from the limited editions, and this is a really good highlighter. This is from her birthday collection last year, and I'm so disappointed. I really hope they come out with a birthday collection for her this year. If not, I hope it's delayed. I still want to pick up something though. This is one of the highlighters from this last holiday collection. More cards. And this is an e.l.f. face mask. I like using it on Sunday nights. And obviously I need some more of this. This is the best. It's the only moisturizer I use and have used for 20 years.
Yeah.
I'm almost there. It's just a few more touches that I needed. I'm so glad you guys sat and watched this video with me. I know it was pretty boring, but thanks for stopping by my channel. And I promise that I'm going to start posting more videos. I really want to do a whole makeup collection tour. I know this was just a glimpse of what I have, and it was only the stuff that I put away. So please like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my makeup. Thanks again for watching, and this is what it looks like once I finally got all that mess away from my makeup vanity. Oh my goodness, so much better. I definitely needed a before and after. I have all of my highlighters, palettes, lip kits, skincare, foundation. Everything is almost in its right place. This took me about 20 minutes, but it was so worth it, you guys.